welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So today's video is for my Facebook group monthly contest. So for those of you that don't know, I have a Facebook group that's called Acrylic Pouring with Friends, which is the same name as my YouTube channel, so it makes it kind of easy for you. So what I do is I have a monthly contest, and I usually try to make it fun and easy. And when I say easy, I mean just that the products aren't hard for you to get or have already on hand. Like the paints, I make substitutions and things like that. So generally it's everybody already has the stuff and you can all participate. And I do have prizes at the end of the month. There's always a prize. So if you are not a member of my Facebook group, head on over to Acrylic Pouring with Friends, group by Tracy Reed, and request to join and I'll get you in. So on to the contest rules. I'm going to be doing a multi-ring pour using my quad split cup, and this is my 3-ounce cup. So I've been still doing the smaller canvases. This is a 6x12. Now by the time you guys see this, I probably will already have had my second hand surgery. So hopefully I'm recovering and I'll be able to get back to bigger sizes soon. So on to the colors that I am going to be using and that are for the required colors for the contest. So the first color is going to be gold. Now you can use any shade of gold you would like, and what I did was I mixed two different golds together, both from DecoArt. This is 24 karat gold, 24K gold, and I mixed it with, which one is this? This is the champagne gold. You can see the difference there. And so I didn't want it to be bam in your face like the 24K is like that. So you can see that it's a softer gold. It's really, really pretty. All right, so gold is one, and then copper, and I've got the 24, or the DecoArt copper, and that one is right here, so you can see it's super, super pretty. And then I have, this one is antique bronze, all right, and there it is. And then I wanted to use antique copper, but I was out, so I made my own. So I'm going to tell you how I did it. It was really kind of easy, and you may have some of these colors or similar on hand if you don't have it. So I took my DecoArt copper, I mixed in some, this is chocolate brown from Folk Art. It's a metallic chocolate brown. Now you don't necessarily have to have a metallic brown, but any brown should work. And then it wasn't quite exactly the color that I wanted, so I added some of Golden Fluid Acrylics Transparent Red Iron Oxide. And I'll show you that again. It really is really pretty. And I don't know if you can see also the consistency of my paints there. It's thicker than say like a Dutch pour, but when you're doing ring pours you want to have a little bit of a thicker consistency. Now it's not super, super thick, but it's not super thin either. It's more on the thicker side. And then my last color is black. So, well, I'll get to, hold on one sec. I'll get to the other stuff in a sec. But my black that I used is DecoArt Enchanted Ultra Black. This is really, really nice black. And I don't use black very often. Usually if I'm going to go darker, I'll go a dark blue, but I wanted black for this. So those are the colors. We've got antique copper, gold, regular copper, and antique bronze. Now, if you don't have antique bronze, you can substitute bronze if you'd like. And then you can use white or black. So those are the rules, and any size canvas you would like to use is fine. Again, I'm just using a smaller one. I'm using a 3-ounce cup, a split cup. So you guys can use, it doesn't have to necessarily be a split cup, but for me, I want to have the colors more divided, and that's why I'm using the split cup. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put black down on my canvas. I'm not covering the whole thing. I'm just going to go down mostly, and then that'll give it, I want some black lines between the pores, between my multiple ring pores. So that's, if I didn't say that already, it's a multi-ring pour. So you have to do multiple spots on your canvas where you're doing your ring pour. Okay, so I kind of got ahead of myself with putting the black down first because I have to put my colors in the cup. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. And as you can see here, my light went out. As you can see here, my colors, I've got dark, lighter, somewhat, because I wanted that contrast. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and start filling up here and try to be a little careful since I'm trying to stay in camera, or in camera for you without spilling. And I do have, for those of you that are new to my channel, I do have other sizes in the split cups. I have the 3-ounce that I'm using. I have 6-ounce, 10-ounce, 22-ounce, the 10 and the 22 also come in handled cups. And I also have a whopping 60-ouncer, which is, she's a beast. She's just a monster. I haven't been able to really use, because of my hand, having issues with my hand, but hopefully one of these days I will get to try using that. I know I sent Mina one and she has used it, and Britta Clayton's got one, so they have some videos you could check out of using that big 60-ouncer. All right, so my little cup is full, and what I'm going to do, since it's a multi-ring pour, I'm going to do 3 pours. Now, I may have to put a little bit more in my cup, but for now we're just going to go with this, this 1 cup. All right, so here we go. Up, and I actually really like that it's not the same size. Each section's a little bit bigger, but it's super pretty. I love that. Okay, so I'll give you some close-ups, a couple photos probably, and then make sure to stick around because I will show you the dried result. Alright guys, so just a reminder that this painting is for my Facebook group contest, so head on over to Acrylic Pouring with Friends group by Tracy Reed, and you will find a post in the featured section with all of the rules, and that is where you will post your photo for your entry. All right, good luck everybody. Now we've got some dry photos. And I really love the result of this multi-ring pour. It turned out really, really good. It's one of my husband's favorites. Now for the contest, yours doesn't have to have the wood look, but I just went with that. So I would love to hear your comments. Make sure to leave it in the comment section below. Also, to give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, to go ahead and subscribe. And make sure to head on over to acrylicpouringtools.com for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. I hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well. And I will catch you in the next one.